Hello. Today I am writing one Python program to find the reverse of digits of a number. So for example, if the number is 1234, then the reverse of a number is 4321. So let's do a program. So first you have to enter a number. So I take a one integer number. So I write here number equal to int and put enter any number. So you enter a number and stored in a variable number. Now to store the reverse of a number, I take a one variable rev equal to 0. Now to find the reverse of a number, it must be that number is greater than 0. So first I have to check that number is greater than 0. Now if number is greater than 0, then we have to find the modulus of a number by 10. It gives you the remainder value. Now the number reverse is 0. So now in reverse I store reverse into 10 plus a. So if number is 1234, then in a you get the value 4, and in reverse you get the value 0 plus 4, that is 4. Now I do a floor division of a number by 10. So in number you get the number 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3 is again greater than 0. So if I found the modulo by 10, then you get 3 in a. Now in reverse the value is 4. So here you get 4 into 10, that is 40, and a is 3, so you get in reverse 43. Now the number floor division 10, you get 12. Now 12 is greater than 0. Here in a, by finding the modulus, you get the value 2. Then here 43 into 10, that is 430, plus 2, that is 432. Now here you get the number 1. Now 1 is greater than 0. In a you get the value 1. Here the number we already get is a 432 into 10, that is 4320, plus 1, that is 4321. And when you divide the 1 floor division by 10, you get the number 0. Now here number is not greater than 0, so we get out of the loop and print the reverse of a number. Now here I put the number 1234, and you get the output 4321. Thank you.